In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download apps in Google Chrome. Did you know you can turn your favorite websites into apps? This is a simple way to keep the tools you use most within easy reach, without hunting through tabs. When you install a site as an app, it opens in its own clean window, just like traditional software, so it feels more focused and distraction-free. Let's start with the quickest method. On many supported websites, you'll notice a small install icon right in the address bar. When you see it, click the icon and choose Install. Chrome will set things up automatically, and the site will pop open in its own window, separate from your regular browser tabs. From here on, you can launch it just like an app, and it'll behave more like a dedicated program, which is perfect for email, music, or project tools you use every day. If you don't see that install button, no problem. There's another built-in way. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Save and Share, and select Install Page as App. A small prompt will appear asking you to name it. Pick something clear and recognizable so you can find it easily later. After you confirm, Chrome creates the app and opens it in its own tidy window, giving you that same streamlined experience. To manage everything you've installed, type Chrome /apps into your address bar. This brings up a dashboard with all your web apps in one place. If you want even faster access, right-click any app to pin it to your taskbar, dock, or shelf, depending on your device. And if you change your mind about something, you can right-click to uninstall it right from this page. It's a quick way to keep your setup organized and focused on what you actually use. If you'd like more variety, you can also visit the Chrome Web Store for extensions and apps that enhance your browser. You'll find plenty of options, from playable games to music streaming and video players, so you can tailor Chrome to match your workflow and your downtime. That's it. You've learned how to download and install web apps directly in Google Chrome, how to handle sites with and without an install button, and how to manage everything from one place. Your favorite sites, now just a click away. You're all set. Done.